Hi guys, Pam Yoveski with The Realist. I am excited to tell you about this new business that opened up here in Chesterton, Indiana. It is Gilly's Doghouse. So I'm excited to take you guys inside and let you know what makes them so unique. So over here at Gilly's, they have a full service salon for your pets, and they care all about their health and happiness. So over here at the front of their shop is their boutique, and majority of all these items are locally sourced. So their bakery here also offers a large variety of all natural gourmet treats. So over here they also offer daycare services. They offer half-day or even full-day services, and that helps alleviate boredom and loneliness and can offer a safe, interactive, and fun environment for your loved pets. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and don't forget to check out their pages for more information. Bye guys.